Everybody loves graphing. That's the next standard, okay? First, let's practice how to graph. These are just points you're going to plot. So here's a point, 1, 3. That's the x-axis, that's the y, okay? So 1, 3. Here's the middle. So 1, 3. I start in the middle, I go to positive 1. Then y is 3, so I go up 3. 1, 2, 3. So I put 1, 3 there. 0, 2. I don't move sideways at all. And y is 2, so I go up 2. So that's 0 and 2. Negative 4, 2. So now it's a negative, so I go to I go this way. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And then up 2. 1, 2. Negative 4, 2. Negative 5, negative 4. So I go negative 5. So I go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then since we have negative 4, instead of up, I go down. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So negative 5, negative 4. Okay, 6, 0. I go sideways to 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then the 0 means I don't go up or down at all. I'm right here. Okay. First number tells you where to go sideways. The second number tells you how far to move up, down. Okay, now in this one we're going to need to go by 2's. Anytime we have an x or y value bigger than 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and bigger than 9, you're going to have to count by 2's. So 14, 10. Remember, I'm counting by 2's. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, and then 10, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Okay, so that's 14, 10. Okay, negative 8, negative 6. So I go negative 8, so 2, 4, 6, 8. And then negative 6 means I'll go down 2, 4, 6. So negative 8, negative 6. 5, negative 12. So I go 2, 4, and then 5 would be halfway between. And then negative 12, I go 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and 12. You're going down because you have a negative 12. So 5, negative 12. Okay, 11, negative 16. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and then 11's here. And then negative 16. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16 down there. So 11, negative 16. Okay, now on the back side we got some XY tables. Okay, that's what we're going to use to graph equations, so let's get in the habit. So 0, negative 5. Remember, that's the x, that's sideways, and that's the y. So x is 0, so I stay in the middle. I don't move sideways at all. And then negative 5, I'll go down 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 0, negative 5. 1, negative 7. So I go 1 and then down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, 2, negative 9. I go to 2 and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 2, negative 9. Points kind of go in a line, don't they? Okay, 0, 3.5, 1, 4, and 2. So first I go 0, 3.5. So x is 0. That means I don't go sideways at all. 3.5, I go 1, 2, 3, and then halfway. 1, 4, I go to 1, and then 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 4.5. So 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then halfway. And those points line up beautifully. Okay, so that's 0, 3.5, 1, 4, and 2, 4.5. Exciting, isn't it? Okay, now here's the actual assignment. Y equals negative 5 times x plus 3. That's not a negative, that's a thing. That's positive 3. Okay, I want that to be positive. Here's how we're going to start. There's the equals. When I have y by itself over here, what I'm going to make is a table. And as long as I don't have a fraction, which I don't, I'm going to pick 0, 1, 2 for x. Okay, so that means I'll be putting 0 in for the x right there. Okay, that's simple. So negative 5 times 0 plus 3. That's 3. Now let's put a 1 in. Negative 5 times 1 plus 3. Negative 2. Now let's put a 2 in. So negative 5 times 2 plus 3. Negative 7. Okay, so now we'll graph for points. So that's the x and that's the y. So 0, 3. I don't go anywhere sideways. I just go up to 3. Okay, so 1, 2, 3. So that's 0 and 3. 1, negative 2. I go to 1 and then down 2. 1, 2. And then 2, negative 7. So I go to 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Notice how these points line up. So make a line and put arrows on both ends because the line goes forever. I could make that table. I could go 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I don't really care to. So as soon as I get the 3 points, I'm just going to make the line. Okay. Alright, so as long as you don't have a fraction, you're going to do 0, 1, 2. Now what happens when you do have a fraction? The y is still by itself, okay? So I'm going to put that. We have a fraction. What's in the denominator? It's 5. So instead of 0, 1, 2, I'm going to go 0, 5, and 10, okay? And then watch what happens here. 1/5 times 0, well that's 0, minus 4 is going to give you negative 4. Now let's put 5 in. 1/5 times 5 minus 4. Now here's what happens. The 5s are going to cancel and that's going to just be 1 and then we're going to minus 4. Negative 3. Okay, now let's put 10 in. So 1/5 times 10 minus 4. Okay. I have a question. What's 1 times 10? It's 10. What's 10 divided by 5? It's 2. Again, 1 times 10 is 10. 10 divided by 5 is 2. And then 2 minus 4 is negative 2. Okay, because if I put a 10 in, it's going to be just like 1 times 10 is 10, divided by 5 is 2, 2 minus 4 is negative 2. So when I have a fraction, I pick multiples of the denominator. So 0, negative 4. Don't go right or left at all, so down 1, 2, 3, 4. So 0, negative 4. 5, negative 3. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Down 1, 2, 3. 10, negative 2. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I ran out of room. So we're just going to make the line through these points. I'm going to not put that third point because I run out of room. So that's good enough for me. Okay, now let's go to our back side. If you have a negative in front of x, you need to put a 1 there, okay? Now the y is by itself, so I'm going to replace x. Now there's no fraction, so I can back to 0, 1, 2. So I go negative 1 times 0 plus 3. Gives me 3. Okay, now I'm going to put 1. Negative 1 times 1 plus 3. Now I'm going to put 2. By the way, I think that's going to be 1. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Because it always follows a line. It's linear. Okay, so 0, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, I go to 1, then up 2, so 1 and 2. 2 and 1, so I go to 2, up 1, so 2, 1. Right in a line, okay? They should be in a line in this class so far. And the last one. Same idea, but this time we got that nasty fraction. It's a 2, so I'm going to go 0, 2, 4. Now you're like, why do you do that? Because what will happen is if I pick multiples of the denominator, that'll cancel out the fraction, and I won't have to worry about graphing fractions. So I got negative 1/2 times 0 plus 4, that's 4. Given the fact that anything times 0 is 0 plus 4. Negative 1/2 times 2 plus 4 is 3. I'm guessing that's going to be 2. Okay. So 0, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, so 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. And then 4, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, up 1, 2, 4, 2. Okay. Alright, nice line. Put arrows on both ends. Don't just make the line. I want to see arrows.